Hello, this is Hallie with Handmade by Hallie. Welcome to my newest video. Today we're going to make a ghost out of some Dollar Tree supplies. So I have this silver pumpkin, a witch hat, a mop head, some black felt and some white felt. I have some batteries. I'll need some wire cutters and some scissors. I'm going to use this tool or a word burner, and of course you'll need a glue gun and some glue. We're going to start by heating up our wood burner, and I'm going to cut about 1.5 inches down from the top. I ended up using this tool instead of the styrofoam cutter so that I wouldn't break the styrofoam cutter. And it just takes a couple minutes to get all the way through. The next step is to lay the mop head on your surface, spread out all the bristles, and I kind of did a zigzag pattern of glue and put that pumpkin on top. Then I kind of hold up some of that mop head, kind of like a hot pad, and flip it upside down. Next, I'm going to put some glue on this witch hat that's just the right size to fit on top. Press that down firmly. Next, we're going to make some eyes, and I'm just going to cut 2 squares of the black, hold them together, and roughly cut the eyes. Then I can separate those and individually cut those to get the shape that I want. Then I'm going to take some white and do the same thing. Cut 2 squares. These are smaller squares. And cut the circle together. Then separate them to make sure that each one looks the way I want to have them. And trim up where necessary. As you see, I decided, I want to shape those a little bit better after I got them initially done. It just takes a couple minutes or so to get this part done. Then I decided I wanted to make a mouth on this ghost, so I grabbed another piece of felt and cut out a oval shape for the mouth. And I'm going to glue the white part. I just put a dot of glue and put the white part on each of the black sections. Put some glue on the back and glue that to the ghost. Try not to put those white parts of the light of the eyes so it looks like the ghost is cross-eyed. And then I put the mouth on there. And there we are, pretty much done. So if you're liking my video, please hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time. Here you go, the best part, he's all lit up at night. Thanks for joining me.